Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you Tsuchiya's Inspinana Blackstone's Kuroi Namida CD and DVD version album. That's a mouthful. This also has a CD only version, which I would plan on getting in the future. So when I get that, I will definitely upload it. But in the meantime, I'm not ordering too much. So I'm just gonna show off my collection as it is. Beautiful Kuroi Namida. You get Kuroi Namida, Just Can't Get Enough, I'm Addicted to You from Blackstones, and Kuroi Namida Deep Sadness version. All of the tracks are really, really good. So because this was limited, I got a little sticker with it. So cute. OB Strip, Advertising, Strip Me, Taste My Beat, and the Blood of Roses tour. Anna Tsuchiya, Inspi, Nana. So this is for the CD only cover. And the back. So the DVD, you just get the Kuroi Namida music clip, which is a really emotional and good one. Momo! You get Kuroi Namida lyrics. Just can't get enough lyrics. I love that song so much. I'm Addicted to You. I really love that song too. And credits. Then don't forget we have the discs. CD plus Anna. DVD plus Anna. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at MomoHappySweet for more content. And I'll see you next time. Jane, bye bye.